is going to be short. We're going to be removing the stock mirrors. We're going to be installing the new LighTech mirror block-off plates for the 17 Plus R6. Super straightforward, got into one problem. We'll get into that in a bit, but let's get started. Alright, so I just ran to Art's house because I forgot a 10. Now let's take this bad boys off. So there's going to be a clip right here. There it is. It was in here, it'd go in there, and then now it's just, I pulled it out, so it's not running through there. Pull up on the female side. Hopefully this will be able to slither out without us taking, yes, nice. Here we go. Good amount of weight savings right there. Let's do the other side. Oh, of course I did that. So I previously zip tied the clip so it's not rattling around. Same thing, pull up on the female and it literally slides right out. The world's best cutters. Klein Tools. Ta-da! There we go. Second mirror's out. We have to weigh these bad boys. Voila! Bam. Alright, let's see how much these stock ones weigh. I don't know. Nice. Got the spacers we took off, the bolts. There we go. Looks like the stock mirrors and the spacers weigh 2 pounds, 13.2 ounces. So we saved 2 pounds. So this screw, this one comes with the LighTech ones, is going to be a 2.5. There we go. Okay, that's weird. They're not long enough. The screw doesn't reach.
You gotta be kidding me.
So I took off the spacers right here already. This just sits flush in there. The weird thing is the screws they provide are super small and they're not really long enough. So when I screw them in from the back side of the instrument cluster bracket, these are only held on by 2 threads max. I'm not sure if that's normal, so I assume that's how LighTech made it. I couldn't find any reviews or how-tos, so I guess this is going to be hopefully the first one. So yeah, I mean, they look clean, but 2.5 mil Allen with my 1/4 inch driver. But I'm literally slamming down on the mirror block-off plate and screwing it in. At this point, I feel like it's going to strip. I'm going to contact LighTech and see if this is normal. I will try to tighten it a bit more. I really don't want to strip these. I think that's good. That's not even really tight. They're in there. But it's so interesting how they made the screws so dang short. Nice and flush. Let's do the other side. They are in. I don't trust the screws at all, but those puppies are in. Hopefully I'll put a response on what LighTech said about the screws being mentally tiny. Yeah. Nice. So the screw that comes with the LighTech mirror block-off plate is an M4 by 0.7. So let's go and find one that's slightly longer at Home Depot. No. There we go. So I ended up getting these ones, 2 of these. I just tested them, they look almost perfect. I'm just gonna get washers just in case that they end up being too, I screwed it in, it looks like it's pushing it by like 1 thread, so I'm gonna get another set of washers just in case I might need that extra spacing. So yeah, let's go back home and throw this stuff on. A little bit of a backstory basically. I bought these off Amazon. The original packaging is missing, but I guess these are the factory screws that come with it. I'm sorry, that wasn't it. This one is it. Tiny little guy. That's the one I just bought on the right. 1 to 3 threads holding on to this plate, which does not seem right. I contacted LighTech this morning. They replied within 30 minutes saying, we haven't seen you purchase anything from us. Please take your issue to who you purchased it from. And so I replied, I'm like, okay, not a problem. Can you just provide me at least the correct screw that's supposed to come with the package so I know I didn't get screwed over? Further notice, LighTech hasn't replied and they just said, go to who you bought it from. So I just went to Home Depot, got like 2mm bigger screws, and we're gonna put them in right now. So to the left is the screw that came with the LighTech. To the right is the new screws I bought from Home Depot. Being 2 extra threads is gonna be perfect. So let's go ahead and put these guys on. Nice. I mean, it's great looking. My favorite one. I'm just kind of disappointed that the screws didn't work out so well. Oh yeah. To install these, do yourself a favor. Go to Home Depot. These are M4 by 0.7. Go get some 12 mil ones. I honestly thought I'm gonna need 14. 12 mil, it's literally perfect now. I got these for 39 bucks on Amazon, got them for 2 days. I'll put the link below. Don't even need the extra washers to include spacing. That's perfect. All right, on to the other side. I don't trust that at all. Let's do that bottom one. Oh, never mind. That literally had 1 thread on it. Also, the screws I got are Phillips instead of the Allen ones that they come with, so that may or may not make it easier for you. I am using the stock washers that came with it, but the washers were $1.50 for a 4-pack anyways. Oh, perfect. I'm not forcing my whole body weight just to screw this on. But who knows, maybe that's just my R6. The 4 Amazon reviews didn't say anything. Nice and flush. You know, I was thinking about getting the cobalt blue ones, but I think the black looks pretty good. And there we have it. Before, after. Plus, we lost 2 pounds. Thanks for watching.
Nice
Hopefully
shot.
you didn't have the same problem I did. It sucks, but it is what it is. If you did have that problem, hit the like button. Let me know down below. And thanks for watching.